Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Hand. Thanks for joining me for another feature attraction. If you like this video and want to see all of our hearing aid tips, tricks, and how-to videos, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you think about it, hearing aids are kind of amazing. They're these tiny little devices packed with sophisticated, powerful computer technology, engineered to sit all day long in one of the most inhospitable places on our body, our ears. So it's not surprising that issues can happen with them. When they do, it's usually a result of wax, moisture, or debris building up on the hearing aid and causing it to sound softer or sometimes sound like it's not working at all. But unless you're a trained professional, how is the average person supposed to know exactly what the issue is? One simple and helpful feature in our hearing aids is self-check. Self-check helps you test your hearing aids through our companion app to diagnose and repair a variety of issues right then and there. Once you activate the self-check program, it will run automatically, testing 3 integral parts of the hearing aid system and alerting you if any parts don't pass. Self-check then gives you easy-to-follow instructions on how to clean that part, or if need be, lets you know to bring your hearing aid to your hearing care professional for a more intensive cleaning or repair. You don't need to wait for an issue to run the self-check feature. Most people proactively use it once a week to stay ahead of any issues and to keep their hearing aids performing better for longer.